Imagine a world without flowers, without fruit, without color. It seems impossible, right? But it could happen if these tiny creatures disappeared. They don't make loud noises, don't have sharp fangs, but they silently shape life on Earth. And sadly, humans are slowly killing them. Bees have lived on Earth for over 100 million years. They aren't just honey makers, they're life preservers. Every time a bee lands on a flower, it helps pollinate, and from that small process, the fruits, vegetables, and even the forests we know today grow. Without bees, more than a third of the world's food would be lost. Just think, apples, coffee, chocolate, even rice, all depend on their work. But a little-known fact, bees are the only creatures on Earth that produce food for humans. And they never take more than they need. Everything is done in harmony, and the honey they produce can last forever without spoiling. But the modern world is changing too fast. Pesticides, pollution, and deforestation are killing millions of bees every year. Their hives are destroyed, their colonies are disappearing. Scientists call it colony collapse, disorder, when entire bee colonies suddenly disappear without a trace. And if this continues in the next few decades, we could lose more than just honey. Because if bees disappear, life will collapse with them. Albert Einstein once said, if bees disappeared from the Earth, humans would only have 4 years before they too would become extinct. That may be an exaggeration, but one thing is certain, every time a bee dies, we lose a small part of the balance of nature. So, who is really more important on this Earth? The humans who created it or the bees who sustain it? Starting today, look at bees differently. These tiny creatures might be saving us without us even realizing it. Subscribe for more natural secrets.